Check it. Listen. Pay attention now. I said, I bought a street sweeper to clean the heat seeker. Tracks with no features like I'm Slender Man. Left bodies in a rental van and blew the world away like a horny trans. I don't think they understand. Seals hit the evidence. Hijacked the spaceship, motor crowd of aliens. We the predators, hands scared of us. Got the magic touch my fairy dust. Kill Peter Pan when I sealed his lips in Westie, man. Kids never grow in Neverland. Shit, it took forever, man. Who the fuck you know is better than? Anyway, I'm sick with Ace Veneno ways. The first gave me brains, so I don't think that people be the same. It's a high note, tech says it's fine though. I'm eating instruments like Africans and albinos. Charging niggas up like a bull met a rhino. This one for the books, like A thought a dino. Knocked his jaw loose, she gave oral to a smurf for the Bluetooth. I said we knocked his jaw loose, she gave oral to a smurf for the Bluetooth.
Know me, yeah. You don't wanna quit the meal, you just wanna eat. Always on the porch, but you claiming that you street. Better be careful with that heat, better be careful with that beat. I'm too hot to go to hell, even the devil's scared of me. And I'm tearing up these rappers like December 25th. The only politics I talk about is the dead presidents. I got my head above the clouds, I shot too far and hit the stars. Now I want palaces and coupe doors up like they on monkey bars. You rappers are killing me, kidding me, step to me carefully or you get faded. Damn, I'm happily taking the gold. Let me come hot like the sperm out of Satan. Pause, I know that you hated this, humiliating. Stay muted, you get mutilated. My flow is amazing, your flow kinda basic. You ain't gonna make it, I'm taking it all.